In this video, I will show you how to leverage the power of Claude and Clay together to research your leads with incredible depth. If you have been manually scouring LinkedIn and company websites for hours, this workflow is going to change your entire outreach strategy. The first thing you need to do is open your Claude interface and prepare a specific prompt that allows the AI to tap into your Clay database. You want to ask Claude to look into your account and research a specific target lead by providing the prospect name and their company. To get the best results, you should ask for a comprehensive search that covers 3 main pillars of information. Start by requesting an executive background, which includes their exact job history and what they are currently focused on in their role. Next, ask for company context like recent funding rounds, employee growth rates, and the specific technology stack they use. Finally, make sure to ask for personalization hooks such as recent articles they have published or open job roles within their specific department. Instead of getting a messy wall of text, you should instruct Claude to format these findings into a scannable dossier. This allows you to quickly grab the most relevant details for your cold emails or sales calls without digging through raw data. By combining the reasoning capabilities of Claude with the real-time data enrichment of Clay, you can build a highly personalized approach in seconds. This ensures that every message you send feels intentional and well-researched.